Hey everyone, welcome back to Off the Pie Charts. I'm Tyler Pierce. Today I'm super excited because we're making one of my fall favorites, soft, chewy pumpkin cookies. They're easy to make, packed with warm spices, and perfect for any autumn occasion. I make tasty recipes every week, so if you're new, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let's get into it. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for pumpkin cookies. Pumpkin puree, sugar, unsalted butter, softened, 1 egg, 2 cups all-purpose flour, baking soda and salt. This is a combination of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. I like to add chocolate chips into my cookies, so we'll be doing that as well. You can check out my last video here. It's also a cookie video in the air fryer. Make sure to check it out. Okay, we are going to cream together our butter and our 1 cup of sugar. You want the mixture to be light and fluffy. This will give the cookies that soft, tender texture. Next, we're going to add in 1 egg, or 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Shame on me for missing this, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to mix this until it's well combined. If it looks separated like this, it's fine. I wouldn't worry about it. It's probably the butter was a little bit too cold, but once we add in the dry ingredients, it'll come together just fine. Speaking of that, right, we're going to whisk together our 2 cups of flour, our baking soda and salt, and our amalgamation of spices, which is cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Now we're going to slowly incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture little by little until dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. We're going to stop there and come in with our trusty scraper. Get the sides and give it one more mix. Now for mi parte favorita. Take that, Duolingo. Chocolate chips. You don't need to mix it with a hand mixer, you can just fold it in. Now's the time to shape the cookies. I like this scoop. It's about 2 tablespoons. You can make them as big as you want. First, line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. You want these a couple inches away from each other so they have room to grow. All right, we're gonna bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees. That's 175 C for about 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they start to look set and slightly golden around the edges. All right, our pumpkin cookies are out of the oven. They smell amazing. You wanna let them cool on a baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. The recipe makes 2 dozen. I'm gonna throw on the other ones now. Maybe I'll be nice and bring them to work. You can totally freeze them to use later. Look at how soft and fluffy these cookies are. You can see the perfect texture on the inside. They're so soft with just the right amount of sweetness and spice. The chocolate chips add a nice touch, but honestly, they're delicious even without them. These pumpkin cookies are perfect for a cozy autumn day with a cup of coffee or tea. Thanks so much for baking with me today. If you try this recipe at home, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Happy baking, we'll see you next time.